Pioneers, good news. Man, you can now get times 5 or times 10 or times 2 of the pie you struggled to mine for years. A lot of people that just started last week or 3 days ago have gotten more than 500 to 700 pie coins, and this is exactly what they did. So let me open the Pi Network mining app right now. Let me claim this one. This is exactly how it is done because I just realized this from one of my followers actually. Yeah, if you check our Telegram community, a lot of them are saying, follow me, I'll follow you, this is my username. So I began to wonder, and I followed up and see that that is actually a cheat code, and we've been struggling for many years, man. Now if you check your mining section in Pi, you see your Pi balance, you see your Pi team, your referral team, and then the people that are mining. And now if you check the section of the volume of Pi you are mining, your mining rate, mine is very low, 0.0533, and my base is 0.0029, and my booster is 708, while my reward is 2.56. So that's why my mining rate is 0.0533. Now what are we going to be doing? We are going to use some option here to multiply the pi earning. If you check here, these are the several ways you can boost this. One is the base, and this base is the rate at which your mining happens in computer. But then this one, there's nothing you can do about it. But the boosters is where we have a whole lot to do, which is why I have up to 708. My pioneer is 1, security cycle is 100%. Security cycle in Pi simply means you build a team of, select a team of 5 people, and these 5 people, as they are mining, you too will be getting some tokens. So that's why it's also a boost. Okay, why the lockup, the more the years you lock up your Pi, the more your mining speed as well. Okay, but this is exactly what we are going to do. This is how this happens. This rewards here is 2.56, the pioneer is 1, the referral team is 5.025. This referral team of 5 simply means currently 5 people are mining in Pi, and if only one person is mining, you're getting 0.5. Okay, so 5 times 0.5 is how you got 1.25 times the actual Pi mining rate, which is 0.002. Okay, yeah. And now this node is talking about mining Pi in a computer, which in another video I'll show you. So all these things here is what actually attributed to the speed at which Pi is mining for you per hour, so that within 24 hours it will keep on accumulating more and more. So let's actually get into this. Now, if you want to build this, what we can handle here is to build either our referral team or our followers in Pi. The referral team is one of the biggest ways to increase Pi, because imagine when you have up to 800 people mining under you. That is a whole lot. Okay, now to do what we can do now to boost this, you need the Pi browser. So you just have to open Pi browser, or if you are like me that like opening from the Pi mining app, you open it and select where it says Pi browser. So all the application in Pi is still inside the Pi app. So if you want the browser alone, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. So I'm just going to click on the sign in. So my network seems to be poor. Yeah, but here we are. In this very page is where everything is happening. So right here you see the page, it says Fireside. Fireside is where you make posts, like the community posts you have on Facebook, Instagram, and the rest. The wallet is where you have your Picoin balance transferred to. That's the open mainnet. Brainstorm is sharing ideas. Mine is the one you are doing. You click to mine the blockchain, but we are talking about profiles. So just click on profiles so that we actually do some boosting of our Pi rate here. So these profiles right here, firstly, my username on Pi is emoney1b, just letter E, then money 1 and B. Simple as that. It's fully on your screen. Now I currently have 0 followers, but before editing this video, I'm going to be boosting it. I'm not actually aware of this on time. That is actually painful, man. So you see right here under the friends, I have 0 friends, and when you want to get more out of this, you simply click on where it says view friends. And then if you want to set anything, profile, but we are here to do some simple things like find pioneers, send them friend requests, and then view the friends we currently have and accept their request. So if you have any friends, they will be under friends, and if you want to send some pioneers friend request, it will be under here, the ones you have sent friend request. For instance, I'm going to send friend request now and show you exactly how it is, so that it will actually appear here. So if at E1A1B is sending friend request right here in Pi, let me go back just a little bit. And now you see where it says find other pioneers. So just click on it. Let's assume somebody is already money here. So let me just type money and click on search. Of course, someone is money. Money has 0 friends and 91 followers. Okay, so let me just go ahead, click on send friend request and also follow this guy. And now there is a cheat code that I have provided to help everybody in Pi grow. So I just shared my invite link now, my referral code, and a lot of people, just 2 people have joined. So look at them here. So I'll click on accept to accept them, because why will you not accept friends? Now look at the person I searched under the requested friends. Now this is something that we are going to be doing. I've taken screenshots of my friends, all the people that followed me and sent friend request. I follow them and take screenshots and post in my Telegram community and say, these are my followers, follow them and send them friend requests, they will follow you back. There is no reason why you should not follow us. Okay, so follow me. I post your name and your image on our Telegram channel. Your username, I'll post it in our Telegram channel and ask my community to follow you. So right now, type your username on Pi in the comment section and type it in my Telegram community. And then when I make a post showing the image of my followers in my X handle, Ovampa01, just make sure you follow them and send them your request. Send them requests to follow you. They definitely accept. They will accept you, they will follow you, and then make sure to always follow back. You do not lose anything by clicking accept or clicking follow. Okay, so you see I now have 6 friends here. I'll just copy the screenshot of these friends, post it in my Telegram community or in my X page and say at emoney1b is following these people, follow them too. So you just have to follow the people I follow. They are my friends, they are my followers. Follow them, and then you are going to be getting more Pi as they follow you. Remember, it's not just about following. Make sure to always open Pi and mine, so that within the next 24 hours, when I even open here again and check, you will see that everything has increased for me. My total mining rate would have also increased. So get a lot of friends, get a lot of followers, follow people, build Pi, get a whole lot from this Pi. So now this thing I get, I say make I just quickly share and comment below. How do you see this video? Make sure to hit the thumbs up, and remember, a new video is coming on how you'll be able to use Pi in your laptop or your desktop. It mines even faster. There is a whole lot that is coming up in Pi right now, as people are now migrating to open mainnet. How far have you migrated? Do you still have any KYC issues? I've been trying so hard to bring about this update, and I hope we actually get the best from this, because 1 Pi is a whole lot. Imagine people getting 6,000 Pi coin. Man, I wish you that as you follow me at emoney1b and get the best from here. Hit the thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more.